Every night, you lay your head down, close your eyes, and drift into peaceful sleep. But what if I told you that beneath your sheets, your mattress might be hiding years of dust, sweat, dead skin cells, and even millions of dust mites? You don't see them, you don't feel them, but they're there, and they're multiplying. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about your health. And the best part? You can fix it without expensive cleaners or toxic chemicals, with something you probably already have in your kitchen right now: baking soda. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional, truth-driven guides that reveal the hidden dangers and solutions in everyday life. We spend about a third of our lives sleeping, which means our mattresses are exposed to thousands of hours of sweat, body oils, dust, and allergens. Even if you wash your sheets regularly, moisture and debris seep deep into the fabric and padding of the mattress. Over time, this becomes the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and dust mites, tiny creatures that feed on dead skin cells and can trigger allergies, asthma, and poor sleep quality. The scary part? You might not even notice the effects until it's too late. Step 1. Strip and wash your bedding. Before we can clean the mattress, we need to start fresh. Remove all bedding, sheets, pillowcases, blankets, even mattress covers, and wash them in hot water to kill bacteria and dust mites. Use a natural laundry detergent to avoid harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin. While your bedding is washing, your mattress will be exposed and ready for a deep clean. Step 2. Vacuum the mattress thoroughly. Your vacuum isn't just for floors. Using the upholstery attachment, slowly go over the entire surface of your mattress. Focus on seams, edges, and crevices where dust tends to accumulate. This step removes loose dirt, dust, hair, and skin cells, creating a clean surface for the baking soda to work its magic. If you have a HEPA filter vacuum, even better. It will trap allergens instead of sending them back into the air. Step 3. Apply baking soda generously. Now comes the hero of our story: baking soda. This simple kitchen ingredient is a natural deodorizer and mild cleaner that absorbs moisture, neutralizes odors, and helps break down dirt. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda evenly across the surface of your mattress. Don't be shy. Use enough to cover the entire area. For an extra boost, you can mix in a few drops of essential oil like lavender or eucalyptus before sprinkling. Not only will it smell amazing, but some essential oils also have antibacterial properties. Step 7. Maintain a clean mattress. Cleaning your mattress with baking soda isn't something you need to do every week, but doing it every 3 to 6 months will keep it fresh and allergen-free. Between deep cleans, always use a mattress protector to block sweat and spills, and wash your bedding regularly. Also, try airing out your mattress by removing bedding for a few hours once a month. Fresh air and sunlight are natural disinfectants. Most commercial mattress cleaners contain fragrances, bleach, or ammonia, chemicals that can trigger allergies or disrupt sleep. Baking soda, on the other hand, is completely natural, inexpensive, and safe for both people and pets. It works because it's alkaline, which neutralizes acidic odors and absorbs moisture, the two main causes of mattress smells and bacterial growth. A fresh mattress isn't just about looks, it's about health. Removing dust mites and bacteria can improve sleep quality, reduce allergy symptoms, and even help you breathe easier at night. Plus, knowing that your bed is truly clean can give you peace of mind, making your sleep more restful. Your mattress is where you rest, dream, and recover, but it can only truly be a safe haven if it's clean. And the fact that you can do this with nothing more than baking soda, something sitting in your kitchen right now, is empowering. So tonight, when you lie down, you'll know you're not sharing your bed with millions of unwanted guests. Just you, your pillow, and the comfort of a clean, fresh mattress. If we have helped you see your bedroom differently, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional, truth-driven guides that make your home and life healthier and safer. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community